You search for how to buy shares of Bank of America Corp, a major U.S. bank. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker BAC, and this video is educational only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by submitting an ID, and you will need to add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search box and type the ticker BAC to find the listing. Select the result that matches Bank of America Corp to open its stock page. On the stock page, check the basic company information and the price chart to review recent movement. Confirm the NASDAQ ticker and company name to ensure it is the correct asset. Tap Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest. Then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed at the next session, depending on the platform. If you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. After the order executes, your position will appear in your portfolio. For the eToro link and more resources, see the description below.